After driving 800 miles by car and 30 minutes by plane to the middle of nowhere, we finally arrive at the cabin. With 1 week to fish, let's fire up those john boats, zip down the lake, let's catch some fish, let's do it. That was sick. Nope, I got one. There's fish. There's one. Look at the colors on the beautiful gold walleye, golden guy, vertical jigging. Not that bad fish at all, baby. Let's go. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video and welcome back to the second episode of the Canadian series. While I'm doing this intro, I actually already know what happened. Okay, we fished earlier, we came in, I was putting the footage on my computer and I was looking at it, sifting through it. I was like, huh, I really didn't film an intro, did I? And the reason, there's a good reason for it, I promise. We started catching these fish, guys, it was on, and I just turned the cameras on, set them up, I set the big camera up, I did everything, set everything up, and I didn't even think about doing the intro because I just started filming. Guys, it's worth it because this video is so good. We were straight whacking them. We caught over like 40 fish. Obviously, I didn't put all those in the video. That would have been absurd, but it was nonstop action, guys. You couldn't make it up. You couldn't make it up. So I really hope you guys do enjoy this video. If you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button down below and the thumbs up button if you guys end up enjoying this one. And I guess if you don't enjoy it, hit the thumbs down button, but that's besides the point. So I'm not gonna hold you guys back any longer. You guys can go see what happened, and I'm telling you, it is some good schnizzles. You're not gonna wanna miss it. So watch it till the end. Some great catches, and it is so cool. So hope you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you guys in the video. Yeah. Mine was kind of on the drop too. I know, it was right away. All right, guys, we were eating lunch, and we just found a bunch of just vertical jigging in 6 to 8 to 10 feet of water. So watch this. We're gonna go back here. This is probably a good spot, huh? Back up to here. I'm gonna drop this down to the water or the bottom. But just drop to the bottom. Pick up just a little bit. Drops right here. And there he is. I got him. Look, this is something, dude. This is something. Like, we're supposed to go pike fishing now, but like this is too electric. This is too electric. That's not even a bad Walter either, man. And there she is. I mean, easy money all day. We can get this one off, put it in the water, and we're just gonna do it again. Or maybe I'll get the big camera out to do this. This would be really cool. There she goes. Let's see Dave get on. Chesty's on Dave. Oh, you just got hit. You got hit again. Got it. Does it feel good? And that, I mean, this is just, this is stupid. This is stupid. I gotta get the big camera out for this once we get back in position here. This is nuts. I'm gonna drop it to the bottom. Once I see it's on the bottom, I'll pick up a little bit. Oh no! Danny just got off. I'm on. Oh, I got off! There he is. There he is. Non-stop, just like that. I mean, this is something else, guys. This is something else. I mean, guys, come on. There's another one. This one's a little bit smaller, and you're on it. He's on again. This is insanity. Just like that. I got this one right here, and Dave right there. And this is what, probably 9 and 10. We've gotten 5, 6 feet of water. Guys, this is absolutely nuts. We'll put this one back right here. All right, we're down there right now. As long as we go without a fish, Dave. Nope, I got one. This is nuts. 8 feet of water. 8 feet of water, dude. This is insane. Just like that. I don't know how good the lighting is because the sun's on my back, so probably not very good. There's another Walter right there. Another beauty. Put this one back, and we're gonna get right back in there. This is absolute nonsense. Just drop to the bottom 6 feet, and we're gonna back up over the drop, and we might get one right before it. If I see him at the bottom, we'll reel up one. I got one. On the reel. Oh my gosh, that's incredible. I was doing the reel up. Doubles. Dave, I'll keep you in the frame, Dave. I'll keep you in the frame. I gotta land this. This is the craziest walleye fishing I've seen. Like, this is so cool. And just like that, we got ourselves another Walter. Just like that, guys. I mean, it's producing. This little white jig. Yeah. Oh, baby. I mean, these are all eaters too. I think we maybe caught like one that wasn't eater as Dave's reeling in back there. But look at this beautiful, beautiful little golden guy. I know the otter's probably really bad because of this motor right here, but never mind that. And look at that fish right there. We're gonna catch some more fish. Let's go. Dropping down on the ground. Reel up once. We're back in it. We're back in it. There he is. There he is. That is so sick. So sick. Get the double, Dave. This is actually probably the smallest one we've caught vertical jigging. And still, water over the camera, that's not good. Still, beautiful, Little golden guy, vertical jigging. You can't beat that. Absolutely unreal. I need the pliers for this one, so I'm gonna get my finger cut off. All right, lure out, nice little guy. Down she goes, and we're gonna go get the rest of them. Right now we're in 6 feet, and we'll probably go down in 7, 8, and this lure is just dangling right in front of their faces. And there's gotta be just, oh, so many down there. It's crazy. We're in the back of a bay, and this is where it's happening. There he is. That's awesome. That is awesome, dude. Oh, this is that big, you just feel that pop. Geez, someone's fighting like crazy. I mean, it's a nice one. It's nothing crazy, but you'd think we'd just run into a big one eventually. I'm also marking fish on. You got one too? Come on. Yeah, that's a nice one, Dave. Let's go. Doubles. This one's nice too. This one's nice too. Oh, this one engulfed it. This right here is just another. Wow, we got 2 boats here, and we're just absolutely slamming them. And once Dave gets this one out, we'll show you. Let's get a grip of this girl. We got the motor running. We got music playing. We're just catching walleye. Cheers it. And back they go. Back they go, baby. Let's get some more. This is absolutely unreal. All right. And we're at 6. We should hit 7 in a second here. It's dipping down. We're at 7. We're dropping it on the bottom. Now we wait. Now we wait. Like, hopefully not long at all. 8, 9 feet. We're on the drop right now. Maybe it's the bucket hats. Could be it. So I just marked 2 down there. So that does. You're on? Come on. This guy. Let's get the camera on Dave-O here. Dave and another one. Oh, hey, easy release. Look at this guy. I'm on 2. I'm on 2. Oh, we popped off. But we got one. But we got one. That was so sick, dude. That was. Oh. Lost at the boat. My hook messed up. What's going on here? Oh, there's one. I was looking at the camera. I thought there was something on it, and just hooked up again. I mean, this just the norm. This is just the norm. And that right there, another one like that, guys. An absolute another one. It's just. We've been filming this video for about 15 minutes, and we've caught about like 20 fish, something like that. Not, a little exaggerated, but still, it's crazy. We could have not cut a single thing, and this video would still be like the same length. It's absolutely unreal. Every time I turn off the camera, I just turn it back on, and we just catch another fish. So we're gonna get back in there, get some more. You guys are probably getting sick of it now, but it's been great so far. Dude, we're gonna drop our poles down the same side. You ready, Dave? And I'm gonna show you guys. I'm just gonna put the camera on it, and then David brought it up. It looked really cool. You're just gonna see it just go pop. We're just gonna let it sit there. Okay. Here's my rod tip. All right, we got both rod tips sitting there. Oh, mine just tapped. Mine just tapped. Dave, there's one on mine. Set mine. Where's the one on it? Set it. Absolutely unreal. I just saw it go pop. And we're boat flipping them. That's how many we're getting. Oh, GoPro died. Okay, and just like that, you guys saw my rod tip went down. Dave rocked them. I mean, it doesn't get much easier than that. It is absolutely the best day of walleye fishing I've ever had, hands down. Well, you guys, you know what? That's gonna do it for this video. Like I said, this series, instead of a day-by-day thing, I'm gonna be doing different things every day and making separate videos. So this won't be day 1 Canada, day 2 Canada. It's gonna be a bunch of different things. And I apologize for the wind. Like, I mean, the wind makes the audio bad, but it makes the fishing so good. Guys, I turned the camera off, probably caught around 40 walleye in this boat alone, in this area right here. It looks like, I mean, you got the shore, right? You got water feeding in, wind's pushing into here, and it's like 5 to 6 feet deep, and it all comes down into like a drain where it goes to like 9, 10, 12-ish, and that's where all the walleye are sitting, and we were absolutely hammering them, just vertical jigging. It was an absolute unreal hour or 2 in there, and I hope you guys enjoyed as much as I did, because as you guys don't see all 40 fish, because that would be a hassle to put in the video. Really hope you guys did enjoy that one. I mean, Canada is just getting better and better by the second. We're catching more fish. We're actually gonna head over and get some pike now, so we're gonna do that for another video. Guys, thank you so much for tuning into this series so far. I really hope you're enjoying it as much as I am. And if you guys did enjoy this one, hit that subscribe button down below and that thumbs up button. And I will catch you guys in the next one. And we'll be doing a bunch of Canada stuff. We got plenty more to come. It's just getting started. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. See you.